A very good evening to all of you. My name is Mudit Sharma. I'm a third year student of the School of Infrastructure, enrolled in its BTech course. I am from Agra and I'm contesting for the post of Vice President, Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar, for the academic year 2010-2011. During my stay in IIT Bhubaneswar up till now, I have participated in various amounts of events and I have shown my leadership skills and my commitments in them. Like in my first year, I was a member of the cricket team of the Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence in IIT Kharagpur and was instrumental in taking my team up to the next round. A piece of information, I was the opening batsman and wicketkeeper and I shared an opening partnership of 200 runs in which my personal score was 82, not out. Secondly, I was a member of the football team of the Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence of IIT Kharagpur. And in my second year, I am the governing head of Sports Club of IIT Bhubaneswar and I have actively done work to increase the sporting things in IIT Bhubaneswar. I was a core team member of Novus 2009, the first ever technical festival of IIT Bhubaneswar. And a piece of information, I also participated in it and was a runner-up in the paper presentation event. I was also a core team member of Alma Fiesta 2010, the first ever social cultural festival of IIT Bhubaneswar in its event team. And I was actively involved in each and every activity of it. Besides, I was the person responsible for bringing Pandit Vishnu Mohan Bhatt, the Grammy awardee, who performed there, and his star night was one of the star nights. And a piece of information, his actual cost of performance is 4 lakhs, but I was able to convince him down to 75,000. I've also represented IIT Bhubaneswar in Inter-IIT Sports Meet in 2009. And I was a football team member. And a piece of information, the only goal scored by IIT Bhubaneswar was against IIT Ropa and was scored by me. I'm a member of the Speak Mackay of IIT Bhubaneswar chapter and has done immense amount of work in conduction of Speak Mackay events in IIT Bhubaneswar. I am the cricket captain of IIT Bhubaneswar and the match which was played by IIT Bhubaneswar and KIT, I was the highest scorer. I'm also a member of the dramatics team of IIT Bhubaneswar and I participated in the Nukkad competition in SF 2010. And a piece of information, I was the lead role player in the first Nukkad of IIT Bhubaneswar in Diwali. In my third year, I am the core head of events in IIT Bhubaneswar in Alma Fiesta 2011. Plus, I have represented IIT Bhubaneswar in its meeting of sports, Inter-IIT meet in IIT Delhi, and I'm one of the members who was instrumental in working for addition of sports in IIT Bhubaneswar. To my credit, with all these activities, I have maintained a CGPA till 4th semester. In the School of Infrastructure was a CGPA of 8.40. Thus, I believe that I have actively participated in each and every aspect of Gymkhana, that is basically the science and technology, sports and games, and culture and technology. And I have gained immense amount of experience, and if elected to the post of Vice President, Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar, I can utilize this experience and work for the betterment of student community. And with your permissions, I would like to go on to my proposals. IIT Bhubaneswar is in its developing stage. So my proposals are, in the field of science and technology, I would like to initiate a research and project cell in IIT Bhubaneswar, which would facilitate the students in doing research work and projects under the GSEC technology and under the guidance of a professor. Plus, this cell will be working hand in hand with the TNP cell and will have a linkage with SRIC, that is Sponsored Research and Industrial Consultancy. Plus, the people who will be a member of this club, this society, they would be performing their research work, and if their research work is capable enough to produce positive results, then they can be incubated by the E-cell, and thus their plan can be made in action. Plus, the general seminar slot that can be used in a better way such that the people in this club can have proper interaction with the people who will be coming from abroad in general seminar slots, and thus the collaboration of IIT Bhubaneswar will increase. Secondly, I would like to say that I would like to make Novus, that is the Tech Fest of IIT Bhubaneswar, as an inter-college event under the General Secretary Technology. I would like to propose that a new team of Novus 2009 will be formed and will work, if required, hand in hand with the team of Alma Fiesta. That is, for example, the sponsorship team of Alma Fiesta and Novus can work together, not completely, but some part of it, such that the alumni relations can be made easily. In social and cultural, I would like to say that I would like to start a bus that would be moving from Toshali Plaza hostels to the Keshura hostels, such that the societies can function properly. And there will be proper interaction of first years and second years and third years. Moreover, the first years can have facilities such as gym and table tennis tables which are there, and they can utilize it up till now, till they all have their personal gyms and tea tables. Then, EAA is an extra academic activities. I would like to propose that inclusion of activities such as music, dance, dramatics, these all should be included in EA, because the people who are now in the society, they are the ones who know them, but the people who want to learn music, there is no scope for them. So this EA slot will be for them. If they want to learn music, if they want to learn dance, they can come up in these slots, and the people who are now in the society, they'll be the ones who will be training them. Plus, in the later stage, we can have professionals. Then for the hostels, I would like to set up a day and night canteen in the hostels. Plus, I would like to set up Nescafe in this institution as well as in Toshali Plaza. The major problem that is faced by a student here is the food. Changing of menu is not an option. We have to increase the quality of the food. And thus, for that, I would like to propose the mess duty, in which the person will be involved. He will be doing mess duty, not checking the raw materials, but he would be checking the quality of the food, and there will be a report for full 1 month, and the price will be deducted as a fees that is given by IIT Bhubaneswar to the caterer, and that money will either be refunded or will be put in to increase the quality of the food. Plus, I would like to propose water coolers in hostels which can store water, such that if electricity goes off, we can still have cold water. Plus, installation of geysers in each and every block, such that we can have hot water in the winters. Then, I would like to propose a student community in Toshali Plaza, which would include a head student assisted by a single member from each committee, society, or a club that is actually present at Keshura. This will help us to know better about the problems, about the situation of the students there, the first years in Toshali, and they can talk to us and can tell us about the problems, and they will be solved easily. Thus, I would like to propose Inter-Department General Championship. And on the later stage, when IIT Bhubaneswar will sponsor, this General Championship will spread as Inter-Hostels General Championship. I also propose to run a vehicle between Keshura and Samantapuri, that is our hostel and our institute, to and fro at frequent intervals, which will either be funded or subsidized, or at least made available at a very minimal cost, because sometimes there are 4 to 5, a little bit group of people who want to return to hostels, who want to come to classes. In our 3rd and 4th years, we'll have to put our time in other activities also. So this is required, so that if students want to leave hostels, or if they want to leave the campus to the hostels, they can do it easily. I would also like to propose a recreation center in IIT Bhubaneswar, that is in its hostels, which will include gym, sofas, reading book, not the academic books, but the magazines such as Sports Star, etc. And it will also have a foosball table. Plus, I have initiated talks for IIT discounts in places such as Pizza Hut, Zyga, Exotica, and the talks in CCD are still going on. Moreover, I have talked to the eWorld people in Shahid Nagar, and they are ready to make laptops at nominal rates for the first year. Plus, the internet website of IIT Bhubaneswar will be improved, such as the events such as online fee payment, fines, academic records of CGPAs, attendance, contacts of alumni that can be available on the website. And I would also like to propose that I would like to accelerate the work of internet in the first year hostels, and also the formation of the basketball or volleyball court that can be created behind their building, such that that court can also be used by the inter-IT team for its practice.